Thutha wa riboti gukorwo ikinyagio nenda-ini cia ati mawira maria thirikari ikoretwo igitwara andu na njati mama, riu Minister wa Labour Dr. Alfred Mutua ni areganite na riboti ici na kuga kuma riria woyani wambiriirie mweri wa 10 mwaka muhituku, Akenya kihiri ni mathiete mabururi-ini matiganite. Mutua augite ino ni tabarira ya thirikari na ni nginyaniru na ndekwirorera ikiharaganio riria mbeu njithi aingi makoretwo magitangika ni kwaga mawira.
The young people, some young people were actually being manipulated for personal reasons for other people, because I think this is a very successful program and a very needy program, which I'm going to take nationally so that we can get a lot of our people to go. I will not stand by and see a program being diminished by people who are afraid that this program of William Ruto will succeed. Number two, I will not stand by and see any young person being conned.
What we are doing is two-pronged. One, to reduce the unemployment rate as it is in our country currently. But secondly, at the end of the day, out of the savings that Kenyans make out there, they will be able to reinvest the same back into our country.
Augete hari mateta maria makoretwo kuo ma Akenya gucokio guku bururi-ini makinya mabururi-ini maria maratwaro mawira ni gukorwo marahuthira agents a Google, akiuga hari kambuni 1,200 iria ikoretwo igitwara andu mabururi ma nanja, makiria ma 500 ciacio ni ciakanjeirwo marua, riu andu makiurio kuhura ripoti angikorwo wanatunywo mbeca ni agent o wothe.
I saw some media reports saying, oh, these Kazimaju travel agencies, hapana, hiyo ni uongo. The people being trafficked to all these countries were actually hired by people either online or by travel agencies or by other people who are not registered with the Republic of Kenya.
Aria marathie bururi-ini wa Iraq muthenya wa rucio, nage aria meguthie mabururi-ini mangi ta Qatar, Germany, Dubai na Saudi Arabia makiuga ni makenereire kugia na mweke uyu. Guku amwe aria makoretwo makiyumiria na kuga mawira mayati mama makionekana gucenjia murugamo wao.
We thank you for facilitating the 1-year visa, but we would like a longer visa.
So there was some politicians who are misleading other members and telling them there's nowhere you are going.
If you're not patient, na unaona imekaa sana, rudi uchukue pesa yako. Hii kupiga kelele, kuandamana, kukimbia kwa media ni haki yako, lakini it's actually very good for me. Because nikiona ukifanya hivyo nasema phew, because huko ngambo nikienda wanalalamika about the attitude of Kenyans. Ukiwa hiyo nchi unasikia you want to andamana sana, iko kwa damu. Get a ticket, come home, takuwa lau andamane hapa Nairobi, uchome vitu, alafu kimaliza urudi.
Na kuona urito wa kuiguithania thiomi ni undu tunyukithagia andu aingi mieke mabururi-ini matiganite, thirikari ni yuritio kwarira mubango wa andu guthomithio thiomi itiganite.
Uongoria korwo thirikari no icarie funding, GIZ ni heanaga funding, ogwo mafandaga TVET citu ri korwo no ma equip language ikorwo mandatory, no tondu thirikari ndiri na mbeca ri macarie funding kuma GIZ, mwana aingira form 1 aumite class 8 grade 9 na thie nginya form 2 egukorwo akiaria ta Serahani.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.